Hi, I'm just going to show you how to upload a lecture notes when I'm logged in as a lecturer. Let's say for example I'm a lecturer, I've just logged into my lecturer section here. This is the exact same page that I would see. The first thing I would like to do is I would like to upload some lecture notes for my students. I've got that functions, I've got that ability, I've got that function enabled on my account, and it is enabled on all the rest of the lecturers' account. So if I'm a lecturer, I would be able to upload all the files. I would be able to create videos. I would be able to create a page and upload documents, edit documents, upload assignments, and many other things. But the only thing we'll talk about here is how to upload lecture notes. So the first thing I would like to do is I would click on my courses here. Then I would click on the subject that I would like to choose. I'm going to click on professional administration. Okay, that's my course there. We had some issues, we had some questions from one of our lecturers regarding another subject, so I would like to go back to the other subject and try and upload a course, try and show you on that particular course. So it's the strategic business management course. So when I click on it, this is the page I'm going to see. So that's the upload section page. Here I would like to upload a few lecture notes. I'll explain you about the course here. I've got a standard course topic outline page here, and if I scroll down a bit, I can see the numbers in here. The number goes up to 52, which also represents the number of weeks in a year. So I might have 24 weeks of lectures. I could have up to 52 weeks of lectures, but ideally I would have about 15 to 20 lectures, and this particular lecture would repeat throughout the year. So the first thing I would like to do is one more thing here. When I click on this option here, it takes me back to show only one topic option, which also says that when I click on this, I would only see one lecture at a time, 1 week at a time. This is convenient, and personally I would prefer to have show all topics or all weeks. So the first thing I would like to do is I would like to click turn editing on. Okay, that's my page there. So I have to press the turn editing on button when I want to come to this page, and this is the only page from where I can upload all the lecture notes. When I click on turn editing off, that's where I see what your student sees. So if you want, when you have to or when you need to upload any lecture notes, make sure without clicking this you wouldn't be able to do that. So make sure to upload any lecture notes, click on turn editing on. Okay, from here I've got a couple of options here. I can either upload a file, single files, or individual files. I can create a folder and upload 5 files, 6 files, or as many files as you want inside the folder. I can even create a page, or I can even upload a URL there. And there are a couple of other options which I'll be talking about in the following videos, but for this video I would just show you how to create a file, how to upload a file. So I would click on add a file. Okay, we'll continue the video there. Sorry about the interruption there. Okay, here we can name the file. Okay, so week 1 introduction strategy. Give it a little bit of description there. for this purpose I'm just going to write demo there. I would like to add a file. Yes. Upload a file, choose a file, find a file. You can upload a picture, image. You can upload images or a picture or a Word document or a PDF document or a publisher document, but ideally you would want to go for a PDF document. Click on open, upload this file, and make sure the file is not over 16 MB. Okay, here I can rename the document. I can move the document. Move is useful if you've got folders there and if you want to move files among those folders, but here it's not very useful here, but the option is there. You got delete option there. You can delete the file. At the moment I'm just going to rename the document, rename it into demo. Okay, let's rename it. If I click on files there we go, that's my file, and let's upload it. Save and return to course. Leave all these options just as it is. Okay, there we go, that's my file there. From here I could delete the file if I don't need it, or I can edit the file, which clicking on this will take me back to the previous page, but at the present I would like to add one more file. Okay, one more file there. So here I can upload as many files as I want, and it's the same process. And I could upload file on any of the weeks here, the following weeks. I can upload assignments, and there are a couple of other options as well, but at the present I'm just going to stick to the file upload there. The second file, week 1 second file. For the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna I'm just creating some demo pages there, but I'm just showing you the capability, which you can obviously do it the way you want. I would like to upload a file again. Choose a file, add Word, open, upload the file, give it a minute or two. Just gonna move it a bit down and show you all these various options where I can rename. We can bold the images, bold the fonts, change the fonts, change the font size, and I've got all these various options there which you can go for. Okay, the reason why it's taking a bit long is because I've chosen the wrong file. I've chosen the bigger size file. Okay, that's done there. Save and return to course. That's our week 1 second file. There we go, we've got two lecture notes there. Okay, once we are done, if you want something on your second week, you follow the same procedures and so on. It's pretty straightforward from here, and it's exactly the same procedure. Okay, I'm just gonna turn editing off for now. Once I do the upload, make sure you turn your editing off. Okay, there we go, we are ready. And when your student logs in, they would see the same option. The only option they would not see here is the turn editing on. This option is only given to lecturers. So let's say when I'm logged in as a student, I would see a similar space, similar structure with the same options there with all these lecture notes. And here, if I'm a student and I would like to see what this week 1 is all about, I'll click on it and wait for the file to There we go. That's our file there. That's the one we just uploaded earlier. Okay, there we go. Here we can maximize, minimize. Okay, there we go. And I'm using my Google Chrome. That is most probably the reason why I don't see any download or save as options there. I might be wrong on that, but for this video, that is how we do the upload. So I'm just going to go back to my home page, and we are all done. So hope you've learned something there. If you have any questions, any queries, please email me at it@kco.co.uk. I would be more than happy to help you. And also this video will be available for lecturers as well for future reference, and it will be available on site home. E-learning and tutorials, tutorials for lecturers. I would be uploading the same video on this particular section there, so keep an eye on there. I'll be uploading a lot of other useful videos as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.